Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna play with a palette I haven't played with in a minute and I miss playing with it. So we're gonna play with the Huda Nude palette. I already have my face done. So we are just gonna dive right in. As you can see, this palette is pretty loved. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna start with a angled Luxie brush. This is a 207, and I'm gonna go into Lace, which is this pretty lavender shade. I'm gonna dip into that, and then I'm gonna hold the brush like this and then just lightly tap that in my crease. I'm gonna put the angled part down like this and just blend. Now I'm gonna take a Farrah brush. This is a 3SE. It's just a tapered blending brush. I'm just gonna blend that in really well. Going back in with that Luxie brush, I'm gonna go into Tickle. And I'm gonna place that in my crease as well, just not as high up as I put Lace. I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush and just go in windshield wiping motions. Okay, now I'm gonna go, using that Luxie brush, go into Spank. And I'm gonna pull that down even lower. And now, just taking the corner of this Luxie brush, I'm gonna go into Love Bite. And I'm just gonna focus that right here on the outer corner. All right. Now, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna go into the concealer, which is called Concealed, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. All right, using that same flat brush, I'm gonna go into Fantasy. And now I'm gonna go into Daydream. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush. I'm gonna go into the first shade we went into, which was Lace. I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go into Spanked and Love Bite. And I'm gonna get that really close to my lower lash line. using that same little flat brush, I'm going to go into Daydream, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take an even smaller flat brush. I'm going to take an even smaller flat brush and I'm going to go into Crave. I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, so I popped on some highlighter, I popped on some lashes and mascara, and some Tarte lip paint in the shade Rose. And that is this look. It is super easy. And I forgot how much I love this palette. So, thank you guys for watching. As I break everything on here, make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell so you can get all of my future videos. And stay tuned, because there's still so many palettes that I have that I keep forgetting that I have, that I love. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.